Okay, with the static straps on, they take the motherboard out and place it down.
Let me see
Okay.
this unlatches, guys.
And you're unlatching the dummy one.
Yeah.
Okay, unlatching the dummy holder.
Where's the other or the new CPU? It's over there, right, Dad? It's right, yeah. Right,
Yeah,
right.
here's the CPU right there. So you pulled out the placeholder, the dummy placeholder.
Yeah.
And do we save that?
If you want to, there's no reason to though.
Okay. So what he said was there's no reason to save it.
He's making a movie.
Yeah. Okay, now, we don't need special gloves or anything for holding the CPU,
No, as long as you have one of these on, you should
Okay.
be fine.
as long as you have the strap on. Okay.
There should be an arrow, which is right there, and you're gonna line it up with. There usually is one on here. I can't find the arrow on this.
There's a dot right there. Do you want me to get out the motherboard book?
Yeah, could you do that, please?
Okay, hold on one second.